2021 Armed Forces of the Philippines Regulations G131-054. General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines, dated 26 June 2014. The Military Merit Medal with first bronze Anahaw Leaf after third silver Anahaw Leaf is hereby awarded to Captain Rex C. Busilan, O-18370 Infantry, Philippine Army, for exceptional and meritorious conduct in the performance of outstanding service as Company Commander of 6th Scout Ranger Cutting Edge Company, 2nd Scout Ranger 2nd Tunan Battalion, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment Special Operations Command, Philippine Army, from 07 March 2024 to 13th March 2026. Captain Busilan demonstrated unparalleled leadership, unwavering dedication, and exceptional professionalism. He led with distinction, ensuring the unit's operational readiness and mission success. Captain Busilan's innovative approach to training continues to enhance the unit's capabilities and readiness. His ability to inspire and motivate his subordinates led to a cohesive, highly effective team that achieved outstanding results across all assigned tasks. Captain Busilan successfully exceeded the target goals in the fields of operations, intelligence, personnel, logistics, and resource management, anchored in the virtues set forth as the pillars of his leadership. During this period, the 6th Scout Ranger Company participated in different campaigns against CPP, NPA, NDF in the AOR of 4ID Philippine Army and the AOR of 9ID Philippine Army. He was instrumental in the successful conduct of 73 team-size operations in the area of responsibility of 4th Infantry Division that resulted in the neutralization of enemy personalities, namely Rogelio Itim, alias Kaumon, member of SYP-1 RHQ NEMRC, under Mirna Solarte, alias Maria Malaya, Secretary of Northern Eastern Mindanao Regional Committee, 2 unidentified members of Platoon 1 SRSDG, Westland under alias Dingo, securing the RHQ under Mirna Solarte, alias Maria Malaya in Surigao and Agusan area. Captured 1 enemy, namely Jomar Baldivino, known as alias Noel, squad leader of SRDSG GF21, NEMRC, and also neutralization of enemy personalities known as Raymond Cueva Dos Dos alias RM, and Julius Barsaga Duano alias Brix, notorious leaders of the CPP, NPA, NDF in the area of 9ID in Masbate Province. In relation to the neutralized personalities, the unit has contributed to the recovery of 5 HPFAs and 2 LPFAs. Captain Busilan facilitated various CMO activities, including religious services, blood donations,